Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we'll be doing Maths B, May, June 2025, Paper 1, question number 18. Let's go to question number 18. The incomplete table and the incomplete histogram give information about the number of minutes that 900 flights arrived late at an airport. The ranges of minutes are given, the frequency are given. There's a table. Complete the table and histogram. Okay, so let me count. How many blocks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have for the next tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have for the F1 we have 9 blocks, and for F2 we have 7 blocks. The difference between 30 and 0 is 30. We'll multiply 30 here and we get 270. And for this 60 minus 30 is 30. 30 multiply 1, we get 210. Let's fill in the blank. 270 and 210. They have also asked us to complete the histogram. Okay, so we have for F4, we know F4 is 120. So below this, let us write F4 is 120. We have the ranges 180 minus 120 is 60. So 120 divided by 60 is equals to 2 block. So 120 to 180, we have 2 block. The block is drawn, and then we have F5. Here we have 120. We'll write this up here, and then 300 minus 180 is equals to 120. We'll write 120 and we get 1 block. So when we have 180 to 300, it's not perfect yet. That's 1 block. Okay, we are done with question number 18A. Let's go to question number 18B. Sam selects at a random one of the 900 flights. Find the probability that this flight was late by greater than 120 minutes. Okay, so we have 120 to 180, it's 2 block. So 120 multiply 2 divided by 900 is equals to 240 by 900 is equals to, if we cut it with 6, it's 4 6 240, 0 0 gone, and then we have 15. So 4 by 15. 4 by 15 is the answer. We're done with 18.